Everyone, today we'll talk about fix problem of StudySmart. Click here on settings. Then we click on apps. After that we will search for StudyTube. Click here. Then we click here on first stop. So that click on get a new button, click on storage. So that click on clear cache. And then you turn off your phone and you restart your can. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.